This is the demo we will show at Automatica. It has a vision system from the company SICK. And as you can see here, there's also a web app available to do the configuration, like the calibration before, and to set everything up. The camera can do easy stuff, but then you can also go into the details and do more advanced blocks. Wizard blocks come within directly here from the supplier. Then you can see the feeder system from the company ARS, FlexiBowl, and again here the company provided this interface, a web app to do the basic setup, the manual setup, and then wizard blocks to really program the FlexiBowl. Then we have here the gripper from the company Vice. It's force sensitive, and in this case we also created a web app to manually open and close the gripper. To program it, the company provided ready-to-use wizard blocks. All the partners you can see here already finished or currently developing these items as ecosystem packages. The workstation from Eaton, the cable protection from ABB PMR, a compressor from the company SMC, and we really put everything together. Since we had the prepared wizard blocks from the companies, we really programmed the whole application in Wizard Easy Programming. So tell the robot to pick a chocolate, or in case there's no one who actually wants some, actually throw the chocolate back into the feeder. And here we see the full application running. The Swifty is taking a camera picture and then taking the chocolate. If no one wants to get chocolate, he's throwing it back into the FlexiBowl feeder. Again, he's checking for parts, taking camera pictures. If there's no heart available, he's shaking or flipping the feeder, and then picking the next heart. If a person comes and requests to get some chocolate hearts, then Swifty is picking the hearts and putting them in the box. Very interesting here also that the gripper is really force sensitive, so we had been able to pick the chocolate even though we picked them several times with thrown back into the FlexiBowl. And a big thanks to the Gelato team members who made this super great application happen.